In the video today, we're going to talk about how to add images or things from your Google Drive to your website. So we have our website created. Here it is. And then what we'd want to look at is we would want to look at how do we add a picture. Maybe we want a picture on the front of this. So if I click on images over here under insert, it says images. I click there. It'll say upload or select. If I clicked upload, that'll look for something that's on my computer that I've saved. If I hit select, which I'm going to hit right now, it'll bring up this menu right here where it says search by URL. You can have the search button. So if I wanted to search maybe school sign right now, it'll bring up a bunch of things about school. If I click on albums, it'll pull up anything from my albums. So I may find a picture that I like, or Google Drive, it'll pull up any pictures that I have in my Google Drive as I scroll down, pictures in there. So I'm going to go back to search, put it in a school sign again. I want something school related. Once I find something here, I'm like, oh, okay, I like this picture here. I click on it, it puts an arrow there. Then I hit select. Once I hit select, it'll put that picture right onto my Google site. I can then stretch it to make it bigger. I can also click on it and move it around the site a little bit. If I want it in the middle, I can move it around that way. So it makes it so you have some ability to show it where it goes. Also using these layouts here will help with that. And we'll talk more about that later. So that's how you add a picture. So if I wanted to add something besides a picture, especially from my Google Drive, because Google Sites works really well with Google Drive. Imagine that. So if I click over here on From Drive, as soon as I click on that, it's going to open up my whole drive on the right hand side here. My drive pops up. I have a bunch of information on here. So if I want to add a file from here, look for something in here that I want to add. Maybe I want to add, let's see, here's a book review. So I want to add this book review. Double click on it, or click on it once, and then hit insert here, or double click on it, it'll work as well. And it'll put that Google slide deck right on there. Again, I can change the size of it if I want to make it bigger so it stands out more. I can move it towards the middle. And that's how you're going to do that. You can do that with Google Docs. You can do that with Google Slides. And basically anything from your Google Drive you should be able to put in there. And the nice thing about that is if I change anything on this slide deck, it'll automatically change on my site as well because it's a live document. So adding things from your Drive and adding images is pretty easy. And hopefully this video is helpful.